Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Dead Linux. I am recording in Linux for once. I know it seems pretty impressive that usually I never really do this. But today is kind of a different day. For one, it's because I've been wanting to, well, not really. I've just been very excited that Torchlight 2 was released for Linux and actually is working pretty well. The other thing too is I've discovered a couple of recording software changes. Well, one of them I'm using that I've used before, which is more for video editing. God, this always gets so loud and obnoxious. Let me just do, I'll do new game. It should quiet down. There we go. Now I've watched this for a while, and it's, Torchlight 2, I mean, in Linux, and I've just been waiting for it. But there was another, I've been trying to work with video casting software, and video casting software is always a pain in the butt, because, the only options you really have available in Linux are GLC, which is difficult to use. Record my desktop, again, difficult to use. It works fine. It records in, what is it, OGG video format, which is tough to get to work with anything normal. If you want to give that to somebody for editing purposes, they'll have trouble with it. And the other one I've been trying, or have tried in the past, was Kazaa, I think? Not Kazaa. Kazam? I can't remember. I've tried a few. Anyway, the one I'm stuck on right now is called Open Broadcasting Suite. So that's what we're using right now to record my desktop. And I'm hoping I don't get any flicker. I think the flicker is actually caused by Steam. So I'm actually going to get rid of Steam for a second here. I'm going to minimize that. And we're going to close that down completely. We're going to close that down completely. Now we're just running ABS. And that's it. Hopefully it makes a difference. Okay, so let's play a little bit of game. Ninja's fine. I've never played a ninja before. We'll play as a guy, sure. Let's randomize this. What do we got? What do we got? The clashing green bandana and a cockroach for a pet. You know what? That's fine. Yes, I'm running with mods. This is not normal Torchlight 2. You do not get to play as a ninja in Torchlight 2. You don't. I'm sorry. I know you'd love to, but you don't. Kubrick. Nice. We'll take it. What a nice loadout. Okay. I love Torchlight 2, if you realized. I've been playing it for years, off and on. It's the game I always come back to when I'm sick of everything else. We'll skip the cutscene, and we're straight in. So, here we go.
This is as far as I can go.
I'll bet it is.
You should carry on to the Asterian Enclave.
I will.
You have received a quest.
Have I? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, so this is more of a test of just my recording software in Linux to see how it runs. The thing I think it's going to hit me is the video quality, because it's encoding. I'm running it full screen right now because it's difficult to get a windowed mode to work, just because I'm stupid. But it's downcoding it, or it's downsizing it back down to 720p. So I'm wondering if that will ruin my video quality. But that's awesome! They're infinite kunais. Oh, yeah. Eat it! Oh, that feels good. Damn. I like that ability. I like it a lot. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is pretty rad class. Okay, so let's go. No, go over here. Funny enough, his attack speed's actually slow. But whatever. And I have a cockroach to do my bidding. How did that not hit him? Well, we'll wait till we get a level up and then we'll see what skills I have. Where the heck am I? I've never been this part. Okay. Just still that little... There we go. Oh. Okay. I need a... Okay, what do we got? So... Ninja to Dragon's Breath. Massive fireball in the target direction. Got all this weird crap we're using right now. Lotus Kick. That sounds like awesomeness. Weapon proficiency. I have dual wield proficiency. There's proficiencies in this class. That's insane. Let's try Dragon's Breath because it looks like fun. So, we're gonna do this, do that. Okay, we're going to do this. We're going to bump the crap out of that to make sure crit and dodge get really high. Yes, I used to play Ragnarok Online when I was a lot younger. Oh my gosh, that just said Wushu Fist. Alright. I've got to see this. Wushu Fist. Love it. Okay, we're using the Wushu Fist. Ninja Mask versus Adept Headdress. It doesn't really matter. We're so early in the game yet. It's already pretty cool. Again, this is just a test, and basically, now I think the only thing really left to look at on my recording is audio. Just to make sure. I was having it kind of echo before, because I had two different audio syncs that actually were both working at once, and I've never had Linux work that well before when it comes to audio. Oh my god. That's a go-to. Okay. Sure. Okay. So, let's do load. Where's the character I just had? The ninja. Play. Please. Alright, this is the third attempt. I'm getting tired. It's getting later. See if this at least eliminates the flicker, and if it does, my sound is good. My resolution is right. It's using X-Composite too, which there's nothing wrong with X-Composite, but... That take... Yeah, gimme.
You have a new quest.
I do, I have a new quest, okay. Because I ran to... well, starting to get to the nitty-gritty of this, and I'm starting to figure out... Well, it's actually a really good tool. The troubleshooting is really quick. So with OBS, basically, it gives you a couple of different ways to capture the screen. It gives you a couple of different options for sound input. It gives you a lot of options. I really shouldn't say anything. So right now, what we're doing is we're doing our last successful our last test. We'll see if it's successful or not. Basically, what we're trying to get rid of is flicker and resolution problems. God, I really need to be able to spam that. That would be insane. This kunai ability is really nice.
Insufficient.
Of course, I used to like the assassin class in Diablo 2. This isn't any different. I mean, it's not much different in concept. In execution, I would seems a lot different. Clicky, 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 clicky. Yes, and you can probably hear all of that, which is the greatest in the world. But
I need your help.
I know you do.
You have a new quest.
I hit him. What was that? That was a cannon. I guess I'll take that. What the heck is that? Ringed tunic. Looking less and less like a ninja. I don't like this. Poor old man. Well, we need to develop some economy anyway, so we'll use it. We'll take everything. Man, I really hope this is recording properly. Not that I'm really going to keep this video, but I don't know, we'll try.
My mana.
That was awesome. More experienced in what? Huh. Interesting. Let's do this. Wow. Oh, I like that. Interesting. We're gonna take proficiency. It's early game. That's a great skill. Oh, speaking of which. So we're gonna go more Dex and Focus build. I like his attacks. All these Eastern classes are awesome. Alright, I think this is almost enough for a successful test, so let's call it. And we'll say, enough of this. And stop recording. See if it makes a difference.